Hello, welcome to another episode of Mk2 Golf Stories. Still got the head here. We're going to be looking at the water pump today, since that could be an issue with our problem with the coolant disappearing and it overpressuring. So we've taken it off. There's just a couple of bolts holding it on. We're going to open it up and have a look inside when the dad finds the tools. So without further ado, let's get cracking. We're going to take the water pump off because we think that might be part of our problem as well. But to do that, we had to remove the water pump, which is, remember, it's held on by 3 bolts at the back. Just one through here into this captive nut, and then that gives us access to these 2 bolts down here which hold on the water pump. So we're going to take those off.
This is just, I think this is okay, but just make sure it could be clogged up, or it could be, the fins could be bloody knackered. Let's just check it. Are we down there?
Yep.
Very fuzzy when they opened it up. That's okay, right?
There we go, well done.
I'll pick those on.
They're all there.
Nothing wrong with that then.
There's all these little bits. Not sure what they are, it's rust maybe. See the thermostat inside there.
I think there's bloody gasket for that. Oh, no gasket, it's a rubber.
It's just a little thing, yeah.
Well, it's down, as far as it'll go.
Well, this seems okay anyway, so that's obviously being turned by the belt.
It's not.
So that's working okay. Not stiff, it's not, no play in it.
Fine, that.
So we don't need a new water pump then, do we?
No.
Right, okay. Well, there we go. There's a very short video on how your water pump works, basically. That gets turned by one of your serpentine belts, one of your drive belts. It spins that impaler. That drives the water around. And your thermostat closes up and sends all the water down into the radiator. Easy peasy. If you found it useful, give us a like, click on subscribe, buy us a coffee, become a Patreon. See you in another video.